Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. We are brushing your teeth. Good girl. The teeth going?
Your first toothbrushing.
Yeah. You want some more toothpaste? Want some more toothpaste? Let me set her down. Have her feet in the sink. Put them like that. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to make it hurt, make it sore. Here, wake up. Wake up here. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Her whole 4 teeth. Good girl. You want to do it? You want to do it? You brush them. Brush, brush, brush. If anything, we could just put some of that on there when she's, really teething and wants to chew on it. Just let her chew on it too.